Chief Minister Ukram Ibobi Singh inaugurates 133 by 11 kV power station. It's in Jiribam and Churachandpur. Its station cost rupees 2.41 crores. Minister Moirang Timokendro asserts there is no dearth of good writers in Manipur. MLA Joy Kishan gives 5-day time to Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai for an open debate on Impact News. And encounter takes place between combined forces and an unidentified armed man in Santipur, Chingkhom. No casualty reported. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Primetime News. I am Buchi Malambam with the top stories. Chief Minister Ukram Ibobi Singh today inaugurated two newly constructed 33 by 11 kV power stations which were constructed at the cost of rupees 2.41 crore each. The Chief Minister first inaugurated the power substation built at Siva Purikhan in Jiribam subdivision, Imphal East, and handed over to the people of the area. Later, he inaugurated another power substation built at Sizal in Churachandpur district. Health Minister Phungzathang Tonsing, Hill Areas Committee Chairman Chaltolian Amo, and Parliamentary Secretary Kada Vungzajin Valte accompanied the Chief Minister during the visits. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Ukram Ibobi assured the people that the 185-kilometer Churachandpur-Tipaimukh road will be repaired beginning January 2016. He said to ensure regular power supply in Churachandpur, a 132 by 33 kV power substation will be installed in Tipaimukh before April next year.
Plain the hill na hena kudong chaba pinanaba khoi angamba with our limited resource akoi single lamda akoi punamakse development ji sa panana equally develop torba aduga khara remote oiba areas da khara hena basic amenities akoi mioi bagi akoi gi life ta education oiba yai health sector oiba yai power sector da communication da drinking water da mayam se hen sa khatlaba matam da akoi mayam punamak singsi hill amasung valley ge akoi leimilai bai sinau akoi mayam punamak singsi hen more closer oigani akoi hen naksina ba hen gani haibisi akoi gi government sigi masigi yamna asetpa thajabani.
The 7th Manipur State Literature Award 2014 has been conferred on Kaisham Priyakumar of Terak Raizam Lekai for his book of short stories Nongkhong Tamna. The award was presented to him at a function organized by Directorate of Language Planning and Implementation at MFDC Auditorium Palace Compound. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Moirang Timokendro said there is no dearth of good writers in Manipur, but what is lagging is people's appreciation and encouragement for the writers. He emphasized that the rich literature left behind by the forefathers must be preserved and promoted by writers of the present generation. Minister Okendro also stated that the process to institute a Lifetime Achievement Award consisting of rupees 5 lakh cash is complete and it is waiting for cabinet approval. The minister also appealed to the Directorate of Language Planning and Implementation to discharge their duties sincerely for the promotion of literature of the state.
Angakpa masu hujik leiriba metric ki parkha da kai de khoi leise khoina masa masa gi lon da tawna to ba MIL gi silakpa matam se sum additional English logi ban tawni blockade tawni hek threat to biduna khoi bu yam wahale ta sengna di isagi mayek isagi lon se khoi khangba darkar dum tarabani se sa yamna familiarize to ba yamna khangba se mathau tarabani do sikta si hai roga di community gi keno wa pham na ta ba to boy handak mun su sumba thodo kya thoki ekhoi gi su aswonba asoi khara lebana koina khara matam khara extension dum tawri mudu swaina di sum tawna chalega di isagi mayek lejebagi isagi lon lejebagi kanaba musigi wala kani si.
However, MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan has offered 5-day time to Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai for an open debate on the platform of Impact News. MLA Joy Kishan has welcomed the response of Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai that she will accept all the challenges. The MLA reiterated that he would like to have the open debate with Minister A.K. Mirabai on the Impact News platform. It may be recalled that yesterday, while speaking at the 130th Foundation Day of the Indian National Congress, Minister Mirabai refuted all the charges levelled against her by the opposition party. She said anybody who tries to malign the Congress party and the state government will not be tolerated. However, an Assembly constituency MLA Joy Kishan on Sunday had accused the Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai of corruption and misleading the Manipur Legislative Assembly. He made the statement during his felicitation ceremony at Thongwaiban Polim Lekai.
Social Worker Minister Mirabaina and Maki Masaka Shigumara Extendida Maki Arama Pokumpi, Maki Karate in Harvadu, Manga, Madu, Mopam Tower, platform that the rest of Masi Havadu Yare and news the Punku Kivadu, Kogi, Mirabai, Mirabaina, Masi again Mangani Manunga, Magi Matamdo Hadir Nava, Aina Kangali, and Mangani Manunga anytime Aina. Effectively, Silaga Madaida, Maga, I get to get on over the Satan Sare, Congress government, Akogi, essentially the Arano Pocket is using up Pazama, the Nampak, we have to say, I must get top of Pina Sare.
BJP Manipur Brace is hoping to win the Municipal Council and Nagar Panchayat elections by a massive landslide. Speaking to media persons at BJP head office, party president Thonglongsum Chauba said he is hopeful that BJP can win 10 municipal council seats out of 18 seats and 4 Nagar Panchayat seats out of 10 seats. The elections for the municipal council and Nagar Panchayat are scheduled for January 11 next year. Reacting to Congress remarks that BJP's popularity will not last long, Thonglongsum Chauba said the elections will once again show to Congress that muscle and money power do not work anymore. He said Congress' inability to field candidates in Oinam, Thongkhong, Laxmi Bazar, Wangoi, Samurao, Kakching, Kakching Kunau and Taubal shows the party will be defeated in the upcoming local body elections.
By-election ki matungda prajana nungsibiba masan power, money power na kanadre habatu ulpase handak kisida second term oina utkani Siri Ibobina, Siri Gaikangamna, Selen Torpa, Punamak, Akoi BJP na accept away, Lakadra election chida, Congress, Sound my Tigani, and corruption Toruba. Devolution of power Pidaba, Mokoidana Saningba, power Kaidokning Daba. MLA Degi Mantrina Karena Saba, Prajadagi, MLA and Karena Saba, Papa Labrador, Maduna, candidate like Tabani. Candidate Putongam Dramnina might hear any have a say, Mashanadum Taksharabani.
Chairman of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, S. Sarat Kumar Sharma, today said general sensitization of legal rights of women and children is required if the number of crimes against women and children is to bring down. Speaking at a press meet held at the office of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights at Old High Court Complex, North AOC, Sarat Kumar reiterated that the rate of crimes against the women and children has been on the rise in the state and the Commission alone cannot check the crimes. It needs a collective effort of all stakeholders, including child rights organizations, local bodies and the public.
Sarkar na ain mein ama thame Juvenile Justice Act Right to Education Act POCSO child labor regulation prohibition Act mayam asigi ek singji fulfill and implement tawna hona bada koi leiriba maduda changiba line department me even one department to be ade health changi labor changi adegi social welfare changi aduna different organization mayam changi not only that asida natana koi NGO mayam asida work to changi koi mayam na coordinate oina work to binagadi to some extent problems is loina mak solve to gamdragasu just to minimize khatar handarakani.
Secretary District Legal Services Authority Imphal West R.K. Memcha, who also attended the press meet, said Legal Services Authority and Legal Clinic are opened at the district court of every district to provide free legal services to the general public. She added that people can avail free legal awareness on any matter and appealed to attend legal awareness program conducted by District Legal Service Authority from time to time. Manipur Alliance for Child Rights convener Montu Ahanthem also attended the press meet.
Manipur State ki oina High Court Complex da amaleba ko chairap da branch office amalai chara court complex khoi uribo kisda adagi district khudimak ki khoi ki CGM gi singse si loina district legal services authority ki secretary neba aduga district and session judge khudimak se senior chairman neba aduna court khudimak ta dum hojiki complex sidaiba loina mak sigi officing se dum loi oirib neba dana any kaino da court ki court amada sangmu matamda adum akoi legal aid pami legal service pami haibada loina makna adum mating se adum pin ba tagla aneba.
The 35th anniversary of formation of Mairapaibi was celebrated today at Lamyan Bashanglen Palace Compound, organized by All Manipur Women's Social Reformation and Development Samaj, Nupi Samaj. Floral tributes were offered at the portraits of the brave women who sacrificed their lives for the welfare of the society, and a 2-minute silence was also observed as a mark of respect to them. Women leaders from both the hills and valley took part in the celebration. Nupi Samaj General Secretary Thokchom Ongbi Ramani said, Mairapaibi was formed in 1980 against the attempt by Assam Rifles to apprehend a child under the disguise of Armed Forces Special Powers Act. She said, many cases of human rights violation have occurred in the state under AFSPA, and movement for complete withdrawal of the act from the state will continue.
Maira hokdokiba numit sahi kunthra manga suba maralitaba angang phabagi madudagi pangthokiba ahmagi sok marphugi lakpa sibai che jinggo kobani ma laiba matamda ekhoin pangthokiba maira ni se ado SPM power ek loktho haiban sahi kunthra nga sure aduga samajna hore iban sahi nifu su doini handak lakadoi sida.
The 5th Ozasana Zauba Memorial Lecture will be held tomorrow at Manipur University's Vichy Courtroom. Professor Felix Paddle, anthropologist from London, will speak on human rights and self-determination as prerequisites for real development. An encounter took place between combined forces and unidentified armed group at Shantipur Chingkhong under Kundrakpam in Imphal East this morning around 11:30. However, there is no report of casualty on either side. Sources said acting on a tip-off, a combined team of Imphal East Commando, 45 Assam Rifles Mantripukri and 16 Assam Rifles Sagolmang rushed to the area. 3 armed persons in combat dress opened fire as soon as they saw the combined force reach Shantipur Chingkhong and fled. The team retaliated, but the unidentified armed persons managed to escape, taking the advantage of the forest up in the hills. Security forces cordoned off the surrounding areas and launched a search operation. Two persons were injured when the Maruti car they were traveling in met with an accident last night at Singzamai Chingamathak. The car was speeding when police tried to stop it. However, the third person escaped unhurt as he managed to get out of the speeding car. Those injured are identified as Laishram Noren, 30 years, son of Apabi from Changangai Uchekon, and Yendrempam Premchan, 37 years, son of Tombi. The one who escaped unhurt is Kontauzam Laibangsha, son of K. Ibocha from Kontauzam. The accident occurred last night around 8 p.m. at Singzamai Chingamathak. Police said the Maruti car bearing registration number DL3CAZ2471 was asked to stop by police posted at Kanchipur Lamkai, but it sped away, ignoring police order. The vehicle hit the road median at Singzamai Chingamathak. Singzamai PS has registered a case. Both the injured are admitted to Iboyaima Hospital at Singzamai Chongtham Lekai. Kontauzam Laibangcha, who jumped out of the car, said he was returning home after attending a wedding at Kongjom Tekcham when the two persons in the car asked him about the direction of the road at Waito Chingol. They said they were going to Sangai Pro.
I kumdara mogi da tonge ado akhoi gari sina mang da chale mogi moi gari sina tung chalaga swa chamina sta check post khudingi khame khamo check post sing sina tos ka kapaga khamo hai je moi kan thori chu khamo yadra singa makha gi swa turning lection thexam basida kitang gari je tap thaba tanja daina tawn hang to wai chong dhare gari officer check chatpam yetlamme adai daina sa si gari jem to phabio ha on thorok pada gypsy mo swa wainer tholemi asi choidam ki accident thokramne mani atudi yengo sena khuni changminar kan gari je leremde swade accident thole asi gari je mala ne yem kan da hapet male de si gari si male na hainare adu moi asokpa ani du budi leremde du gari du dia si male.
Several persons have suffered skin infections after they bathed in water of Khuzairok River. The water of the river has been polluted in More town as people dump waste into the river and construct toilets on the banks of the river. People of More have appealed to Manipur government to prevent dumping of waste into the river and clean the river as soon as possible to prevent waterborne diseases in the town. Many poor people depend on the water of the river for their daily needs, including cooking and drinking. The 36th Archives Week cum inauguration of a 3-day exhibition of rare maps and archival documents was held today at Manipur State Archives Complex, Kaishampat. A compilation of Seminar Volume 9 and 10 and reports of Manipur State Archives 2012-2013 to 2013-2014 was also released at the function. Dr. N. Achoba, Associate Professor of NG College, donated documents of Maharaj Chorachand to the Manipur State Archives. Addressing the gathering, R.K. Jalajit Padmasri awardee said, "If to know the history of Manipur, one must go through the documents available at archives."
knowledge phangaga maya punungsu khangsu sandokpiu report ka se lady the seminar paper ka se amata manghandana hagi mayam the loin lady adana koi advancement of knowledge sila asi prithibun da khwai de hamna GDP da haigal isi bharat level vaccine archives stage da thawi maya punungna yam thawai yam na to wa asum to ga developed country do yam thunu web stage da archive su
All Manipur United Clubs organization Amuko has condoled the death of Syam Kamai of Langthabal Kopum on the 25th of this month. In a press release, Amuko said Syam Kamai was closely associated with Amuko and he worked for the development of the state. Moria Hospital, located on the international border, has been upgraded to 100-bedded hospital. Earlier, the hospital had the capacity of 50 beds. Medical Health Department Additional Director S. Manikanta Singh informed the media persons yesterday that an air conditioner will be installed soon at the blood bank of the hospital. During the inspection of Moria Primary Health Center yesterday, Manikanta Singh told the staff that the condition of the center would be improved. He also warned them that he will take action if he finds anomalies during his next visit. Meanwhile, the staff of the Primary Health Center complained to Dr. Manikant about the deplorable condition of the labor room. Caesar Eye Care Foundation and Youth Guidance Club jointly organized a free eye camp today at Kongba Khetri Lekai. The camp was held as part of Caesar Eye Care Foundation campaign held in collaboration with clubs and other organizations. Residents of Kongba Khetri Lekai and its adjoining areas took advantage of the free eye camp.
Okay, mit nabigi sang se dugi mati hangalakpa adubu paisa leiraga su akhoi matam kaithokpa ngamdaba na maram oiraga lapna salaga mit yengbagi khudongcha da basing du akhoi kya mayong na maram oiraga akhoi mafam sida Caesar Eye Care Foundation amasung Youth Guidance Club ani punna khusam naraga adungla akhoi gi nombi goba mit layang bagi camp se akhoi mafam sida pangthok sabani
ado sida khoi tawjai se khoi ngawdongi danatana atopa mit ki anaba mayam su doina yengjai ngawdongi oina de khoi lupa lising am sida operation charge medicine adigi numinini leibagi transportation charge loi yaw lupa lising amada akhoi operation tawai khudong jab sima leire akhoi diagnostic purpose la ga su adugi su loina subsidize na tawre sinja khudong jab je khoi society de leiba praja khoi leita laira leiba mayam sing su khoi na khoi social corporate responsibility oina khoi na sigi process atharakpani.
Manipur Women's Cooperative Bank today organized a community service banking at Old Age Home Mungsangai in which vegetables and charcoal were donated to the inmates of the home. The event was attended by all board of directors of the bank, including chairperson, general manager, staff and officers of the bank. Subsidy will not be available to consumers who had taxable income of more than Rs 10 lakh in previous financial year. In a release, Petroleum and Natural Gas Ministry said this will be given effect to initially on self-declaration basis while booking cylinders from next month. At present, there are about 16.50 crore LPG consumers in the country. While many of them have given up subsidy voluntarily, it was felt that consumers in the higher income bracket should get LPG cylinders at the market price. The Secretary for Information and Broadcasting, Sunil Arora, said digitization of cable TV network is an important initiative of central government. Addressing a meeting of media heads of I&B Ministry in Jodhpur today, Arora said the third phase of cable TV digitization will be over by December 31, for which 4 crore set-top boxes are required. He said the objective of this program is to provide quality telecast to the consumers. Now in sports, Manipur Police Sports Club B and Eastern Students Club A Noaibung beat their rivals in the 31st N Hazari and Dr. N Tombi State Polo Tournament at Mapal Kangzebung. Manipur Police Sports Club B thrashed Kurai Polo Club B 11-0 in the first match. In the second match, Eastern Students Club A Noibung trounced Tentha Polo Club 7-2. There will be 3 matches of the tournament organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. MSCP Kanchipur and YDFA Angta were drawn 0-0 in today's first league match of the 7th state-level Morangthem Rabichandra Memorial Open Football Tournament. In the second leg, TSC Yai School thrashed W Square Urup Makhalekai 7-3. The tournament is organized under the sponsorship of M. Rabichandra Trust at Kiamgai Ideal Girls School, Kiamgai Mealekai. 26 teams are taking part. In a league match of the 27th Langtabal Kendra Football Tournament played today, LSC Langtabal Mantrikong and NSC Haureibi ended in a goalless draw. 7 teams are taking part in the tournament organized by Chazing Inat Kanbalo. Warriors FC and TMC Thamaiban were drawn 1-1 in a league match of the first mini boys under 35 kg football tournament played today. The semi-final matches of the tournament will be played tomorrow. Cyclone Thamaiban defeated Blue Hawk Kurai by 8 wickets in the last league match of the 13th Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament at Langtabal Public Ground. Blue Hawk Kurai won the toss and batted first. They met 106 for 5 in 30 overs. In reply, Cyclone Thamaiban met 107 for 2 in 20 overs, beating their rival by 8 wickets. Cyclone Thamaiban's all-rounder Rajesh bagged Sapamani Singh man of the match. The quarter-final will be played between Model Club B Chingamakha and Kuki Sporting Club Lambulan. PTRC Patsoi beat their rival in the 26th league match of the second played cricket tournament. In the match played at Luang Popa Cricket Ground, Luang Sangbam PTRC Patsoi won the toss and elected to bat first. They met 106 for 9 in 30 overs. In the second innings, ESU Wangkai met just 86 all out in 27 overs, losing the match by 20 runs. Thao Thamaiban and UCC Uripo will meet tomorrow. The 30th State Level Chebi Championship 2016 to be held in memory of Mangsatabam Iboyaima and Arambam Punyabati will be held from January 17 to 22 at Indoor Stadium, Kumalampa. Golden Jubilee of District Sports Association Kakching was celebrated today at the playground of the association. The grassroots football development program attended by 350 young players and one-day kick from penalty mark league cum knockout football tournament were also organized by the association in connection with the celebration. DC Chandal, Robert Ketrimeum, AMFA Secretary L. Ranjit Roy, President of District Sports Association Kakching Y. Manglemja were among those who attended the event. A souvenir was also released on the occasion.
Sahi Yankai journey concept asida dedicated football leaders have DSA coaching the Su, Layamana, Moramodana, and see a Quina, Chocolate, Magada, football, Lamda, Dukimatic, Togan, Yabaso, Yabo,
That's all we have for the time being, but before we wind the session of bulletin, let's have a look at headlines once again. Chief Minister Ibobi inaugurates 133 by 11 kV power station 8 in Jiribam and Turachandpur. Its station cost rupees 2.5 crores. Minister Moirangthem Okendro asserts there is no dearth of good writers in Manipur. MLA Joy Kissan gives 5-day time to Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai for an open debate on Impact News. An encounter takes place between combined forces and an unidentified armed man in Santipur Chingkong, no casualty reported.